Sokoto. Washima, who is there? Is it Gidado or Kabiru? Hmm? So tell them we are connected. There isn't no food. Why? We don't need them. Is the other council okay? So they have to. Okay. Yes, Gidado, is it who is there? It's not Gidado now. Who is there? They are muted. Tell them to unmute. They are muted. Tell them to unmute. Is Gidado there? Okay, you are connected now. Thank you.
Muted now.
Okay.
Kabiru, my lord.
Okay, Saminu.
It's Kabiru, my lord.
Kabiru, sorry, Kabiru, please keep this. Yes, Kabiru, call the first matter there for Sokoto.
International Industrial Court, Nigeria,
Yes.
the Sokoto Judicial Division. Case number NICN/SK/05/2019 between Professor Kabir Umar Jabaka and Zamfara State Government and two others. Stated for definite hearing.
Is it 05 or 01? Please check. It's 01 for my course list here. I have Musa Sali Usakaba.
Oh, sorry, my lord.
Monument Bank. Can we start with that? That one is for mention.
Yes, my lord. NICN SK/01/2022 between Musa Salihu Sakaba and First City Monument Bank. For mention, my lord.
Yes. Who are the parties there? Do you have any of the parties in court over there?
Party absent, my lord.
Any counsel?
Yes,
online
my lord.
or physically present in court?
There's a counsel physically present in court with us here in Sokoto.
Yes. Counsel, announce your appearance. Where is the counsel? Counsel, you cannot be sitting and addressing the court, please.
Very well, my lord. May it please, my lord.
Yes, please. What's the name?
P.O. Adeboye.
Okay, P.O. Adeboye. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Appearing for who? You are appearing for who?
Appearing for the applicant. Applicant claimant.
All right, thank you. Any other legal representation, please?
None, my lord, in
All
the
right.
court present. I don't know if there's any online.
If there's any online, that counsel would have joined. I don't have any counsel online. Yes, Adeboye.
Yes. We have an application before this honorary court.
Yes.
And a notice.
I think we had this case struck out and I mean, is it Kabiru? Any hearing notice
Kabiru, my lord.
Defendants for today?
Yes, my lord.
On the defendants?
Yes, my lord.
Why did you not send that a copy of that to us there. You ought to have scanned same to us. So can you confirm when the defendant was served with the hearing notice? Because I want it in my records. If you have that hearing notice, you can show me.
Sorry, my lord.
Just over here. Yes.
Yeah, we're trying to sort it out, my lord.
So you said yes. And where is the hearing notice? I want to see the hearing notice served on the defendant for today. And even that application of claimants, was it served on the defendant? There's no proof of service of even the motion or notice.
There's a proof of service.
Proof of service of the claimant's motion and equally the hearing notice for today, served on the defendant. So if you have not done that, or if there's nothing of such, so you don't waste the time of the court, so we can proceed with the next matter. Yes, counsel, do you have any service, proof of service? Adeboye.
Yes, my lord, the proof of service is with the registry, and I think. My lord, sir.
Yes, counsel.
Yes, sir.
And
the registry have the proof of service.
I have nothing in my records here.
Also for that,
so we'll give you another date. I have nothing in my records to show that the defendant was served with hearing notice of today and equally the motion filed by the claimant.
My lord, the motion filed by the claimant, the endorsement is here with me, my lord. I don't know if you can.
Yes, okay. It was served on when was it served on the defendant?
It was served on the 12th.
12th of when?
12th of May, 2023. 12th of May, 2023.
It was filed here on. Okay, so it was the very day they filed that you served. So how about the hearing notice?
My lord.
Yes.
Pertaining to the hearing notice, we actually have a constraint in sending it to them. We send it to them via WhatsApp, and we ask them to acknowledge it, but up till this moment, my lord, they haven't acknowledged to indicate that.
Yes, where is the affidavit by the court belief? There is nothing of such.
It was what we did was the phone number that we found on the counsel's case file. So we snapped the hearing notice and sent it to them via WhatsApp and asked them to duly confirm it as well. But
so
in respect of this matter,
is there anything to show that they were served?
Yes, they were served, but they didn't endorse.
I don't think that is sufficient to say that.
And
sorry?
I equally made the phone call. My lord, to this to this effect, but there was no response as well.
That electronic service you did, if you had printed it out, I would have used that. Because even the rule allows electronic service, both of hearing notice, but you didn't do that. So I cannot just, and there's no affidavit even deposed by the court bailiff to that effect. So I will take it that there is no service, no proper service of hearing notice on the defendant. So I will give another date. The defendant must be served with hearing notice. Yes, give me another date. We can hear them before the vacation. Is the motion to release the matter that was struck out. So give them another date. Yes, Ade Boye, 21st of July.
Friday is complete.
Yes, 2-1.
My lord, 2-1. Okay.
Yeah. Kabiru, you are not a new staff, so you should know what should be done rightly. Huh? So you had served, and there's nothing to show that a defender was served, and you want me to just take your oral whatever that you have served the defendant. So you do the needful. You have a bailiff there in Sokoto. So you do the needful, and if you had served electronically, you know what to do. We are not just doing this for the first time.
Most guided, my lord.
So the case is adjourned to 21st July 2023 for definite hearing of claimant's application. Hearing notice shall be served on defendant's counsel. All right. So please make sure all those previous proof of services you get from him and scan and send to us. What dates is it? So call number SK5 2019 6. I think that's the one we have. Okay.
NICN/SK/05/2019 between Professor Kabiru Jabaka and Zamfara State Government and 3 others.
Yes, please.
For definite.
Parties in Abuja here. Do we have
absent?
Okay, absent.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, council announce your appearance. Yes.
I'm here for the payment.
Defendant counsel.
With profound respect and humility to my noble lord,
This is what we experience. Yes, counsel. Shaka, I thought you had both agreed to be present here in Abuja. All right, okay. Because you see, we usually have these disruptions, network. Yes, counsel, defendant counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Announce your appearance, please.
With profound respect and humility to my lord,
Yes, counsel.
my names, my humble for the defendant, my lord.
Abubakar who?
Abubakar, senior assistant.
I didn't get the second name.
Abubakar.
Is it Abubakar Bello or who?
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
Bello.
Abubakar Bello.
Assistant Council, my lord.
Assistant Chief who?
State Council.
All right, yes.
My humble is for the all
Assistant Chief State Council, which ministry?
Ministry of Justice.
Okay, Zamfara State, okay.
Ministry of Justice. All defendants.
For defendants.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Council. Shaka.
So, definitely,
Yes.
preparation to the hearing and not being applied to your lordship.
Yes.
Similar to the issue on the secretary to the state government.
Yes.
For the protection of documents required for the prosecution of the claim.
Documents. Okay. Yes.
I'd like to inform your lordship that the process only reached the secretary to the state government on the 30th, Friday, 30th of June 2023.
Yes.
We have proof, we have filed a proof of service, the registry of this court this morning.
Yes.
Also, my lord, we had agreed with counsel for the defendants previously.
Yes.
So how this proceedings physically in Abuja? Didactic nature of the airport.
Yes.
Here. However,
yes.
While I was on my way, then counsel for the defense
yes.
drew my attention to the provisions about the two with 6 rules of respect.
Yes.
And on account of that stated reservation for our area mutual agreement is
Sorry?
on account of that,
yes.
You stated to me reservation for the city
in Abuja. Yes.
At this point, I found out, I think I could hold on to the council and make this point there, and then I respond.
Yes, Bello.
My lord.
Yes. I'm sure you heard the learned counsel to the claimants.
I had some part of it.
All right, yes.
Most fundamentally, my lord, we are not disputing the fact that we only have one national industrial court.
So this is what we experienced, and I think that was why we said both councils should be in Abuja. When, at the stage of trial. Yes, Bello, I can't hear you.
Yes, we had a discussion with my learned senior
Yes.
So I told him my own reservation is that we have directive from my office that we only appear in Sokoto division.
Yes.
And for you to go to Abuja, it's tantamount to transferring the case to Abuja division, which has to be complied with the provision of the order 2/6.
Yes, Council. So are you saying that is there anything to show that the matter has been transferred to Abuja division? This having the matter done virtually anyway, I'll allow you to still respond. If I may get you clearly, you are referring to under 2 rule 6, which has to do with is it on transfer of suit or so? So you are saying that instruction from your office is that the matter can only be heard in Sokoto division, and hearing it in Abuja means the matter is transferred to Abuja, and then it is not in compliance with order 2 rule 6. I think that's what he's saying.
Yes, my lord.
All right, okay. Yes, Shaka.
Now we have had done answer the defense. Also read the 2/6, the rules of this court.
Shaka.
By rule, by field rule,
Yes.
even an application to the chief judge of this court will have to be consented to mutually by the parties.
Yes.
In view of that, to be on the safe side, we are constrained perhaps by an adjournment in this matter to another date for hearing. We will all convene in the Sokoto division of this court. And the next Monday to take the proceedings. We hope that the network will be clearer to us. Subject to the lordship granting this application. We also apply that a hearing notice by way of the matter to be served on the secretary to the state government against the next Monday, so that it will still be approved.
Sorry, you said
Subject to lordship granting this application.
yes.
And to ensure that the secretary to the state government is in attendance at the next Monday.
Okay.
Outline that the hearing notice be served by way of the minor of the subpoena served. And last with the supervision of the registry.
No, I think it's all because of all these disruptions that we had Ask council to be present in Abuja. My own understanding of that 2:6 does not, I think this, I don't think this matter qualifies as a matter. Hearing it virtually does not mean the matter has been transferred. I think we had to adopt that virtual hearing because of the security situation in Sokoto, and not only Sokoto alone. Yes, and I think even during the COVID period, I think that was when we started this virtual. And for now, I don't have any fiat from the Honorable President to go physically in Sokoto to sit over the matters. And that was why we continued here. So if both council have agreed that you want to still go virtual, and to the effect that the Claimants Council will now be in Sokoto with the Defendants Council, where the court will oblige you if that is how you want it. All right. If it is on agreement of both council to have it that way, then we would allow that. Oh, doesn't want to go. But then, if you are going to transfer, then one of them has to apply to the president. But then the case is for the women. So who does the application now? The thing is women. So we give them that option, or they see the own virtual. Yes, yes. So Shaka, I thought if you want to buy that or that 2:6, then it's just a matter of doing the application, because it's not the court going to do the application for you.
It is for
Yes.
council.
So you do the application.
It's for council.
That's for the matter to be transferred here. It's still the same judge that is hearing the matter.
Yeah. Yes. If we adjourn for another date, I would explore the possibility of making an application to the Honorable Chief Judge, and then
yes.
I would make an application. I would make an application before the next.
Okay, so that then I think the defendant does all that he needs, because he's working with the state government. Yes, that the matter will be taken now physically in Abuja, transferred here. Since it's the same judge that is that took it in Sokoto, that will still be presiding. So I think you should do that in line with other 2:6. All right. Bello.
My lord.
Okay, I'm sure you are with us.
I'm with you, my lord, 100%.
Right.
And in addition to my own issue, this security issues, my lord, I entertain, I forgot to raise, my lord. It's not convenient for me to come from Abuja, but that's in my lord.
Still not yes. So
you were shot dead today this morning.
You see, to say for the security, I think, hold on, Kashaka is still, he's not, council, the court will not, will not force you to come down here or coerce you to come to Abuja. So he's saying even for the security situation, they will not permit him to travel from there. So I think I will allow you to, let's have it done virtually. Yes, so in Sokoto, because he's still saying he's not comfortable even with you even applying that the matter be transferred here. Yes. So I think all we have to do is to make sure when we are having the matter, maybe we'll take it early enough, maybe by 9, before the internet, the disruptions, network disruptions. So if we can have 9 and 11, I'm sure we'll still have favorable network. All right. So what date can we suggest? Check the date for Sokoto so we see. What dates do we have for Sokoto, if any, for October? Not yet. Okay, so let's see what date we can allocate to Sokoto. 18th? How about 17th? Anything on 17th? Yes, 18th, Shaka and Bello, check your diaries.
18th.
18th October.
It's got, I've got it, madam.
Yes, Bello, is that
Thank you,
date
madam.
okay for you? Yes, Shaka.
Okay, madam.
It's convenient.
Recording in progress.
Yes, you said the hearing notice on the secretary to the Zamfara state government. So you do the follow-up?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
So I have it that it is upon agreement of council that the case is adjourned and same shall be taken virtually by the next hearing date. Council shall be present in court at the Sokoto Judicial Division with witnesses for the trial. Case adjourned to 18th October 2023 for definite hearing. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on secretary to Zamfara state government, who shall be present in court by the next hearing date.
That's what, please. Thank you, madam.
Yes, so Bello, that is all regarding this. Shaka, you are still in another matter.
Yes.
We have the other counsel, it's still virtual. Okay, you are for the defendant. Yes. Okay. It's adjournment. This, what number is this one that we just did now?
The one we fixed is supposed to.
Yes, so number 7 now. No? Number 8 is adjournment. Is the council, any council here? Any council in Sokoto? Hmm? Yes, let's we'll take number 7. Or is it Kabiru?
Yes, my lord.
Sorry, Kabiru, our staff, not you. In Sokoto. Yes, Kabiru, Sokoto division.
Yes.
Do you have
NICN/SK/
Hold on. I've not asked you to call anything. Just hold on. I'm just about to ask you if you have
Oh, my lord.
do you have any of the council in SKO2, Bashar, Bawa, Wala? Do you have any party or council in court?
Yes, my
That's
lord.
number 8.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
They are there. Yes, so let's take that first because this Shaka, yours will be going on. Sorry? It's the same? Are you still the one in number 8? Number 7. Yes. Okay, the same issue. Number 7. Okay, so let's take that number 7 first. So call that Kabiru Dauda Fast and 3 others. Is that SKO6?
NICN/SK/06/2021 between Honorable Kabiru Dauda Fast and 3 others, but from state government and 3 others. For definite hearing, my lord.
Yes. The parties? Are those the parties? Yes, so we have first, second, and fourth. So is the 3rd claimant that is absent? All right. Okay. Sorry about that. How about defendants? Defendants absent, so now just the counsel. Yes, appearance, please. Yes, Shaka for claimants. Defendants counsel. Sorry? UY. Abdul Karim. Hold on, please. Abdul Karim, is it double EM or IM? Okay. Assistant Director. MOG Zamfara State. For defendant. Yes, Shaka. Yes. Yes.
Between the second and the state government to produce certain documents. It's not done. It's done.
Yes.
Subpoena was served on the 30th of June 2023. That was last Friday.
Yes.
I have now that the secretary to the state government is not in court this morning.
Yes.
The other ones prepared for here.
Yes. Defendants counsel, please.
Recording in progress.
Why is the secretary to state government not available? All right. Okay.
The kind of service that's that way.
Okay.
That's not
Yes, Abdul Karim. Okay. All right.
However, that constrained by
So that's why Shaka says the same as the previous case. Okay. Yes, so in your own case, the other counsel said this is for security reasons. But yours, if it has nothing to do with security reasons, we can have it here in Abuja. Okay, so if the needful is done, so Shaka, you will apply? Yes, okay, so before the next date, in line with order 2 rule 6. Okay, so for this particular matter, that will be done here, physically in Abuja. Yes, thank you. Can we have the date? That same date? Okay. What date? 18th. Is that date okay for both council? Here in Abuja. It's Abuja. I'm sure you heard. That's. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right. Sorry. Yeah. So because of okay. So do we give you? You cannot be there and here at the same time. Yes. Sorry about that. Yes. Maybe spiritually you'll be here. Can you check another date? Check another date so that they both agree. 30. How about 30? Okay, Tuesday, 31st? Yes, council is okay. On that secretary again, yes, okay. Yes, council. Yes, we'll arrange, yes. So, Bashima, so you note that, I'll put it on record. So before then, we'll get the interpreter, yes.
That's the issue of the questions that they are paying them. And now that the one they did last time, the man continued disrupting us.
Which man? Yes, that's handled administrative. That has nothing, the court will sort that out. Yes. Hmm? Exactly. You can imagine somebody that is a court staff. They are rendering service. You want us to pay you for interpreting. So you cannot even get it when you want the court to pay you. It's like you as a judge, you need anything extra. Now say that we should pay you for that. Yes. Is it all the witnesses that we need an interpreter for just one? All the witnesses or just one for the interpreter? Okay, all right. Okay. So claimant shall do the needful in line with other 2 rules 6 of the rules of this court before the next hearing date. Upon agreement of counsel, case is further adjourned to 31st day of October 2023 for definite hearing. All witnesses of claimant shall be present in court by the next hearing date. Also, hearing notice is ordered to be issued and served on Secretary to the Zamfara State Government regarding the subpoena served or issued by the court, which has been served on the Secretary. The proof of service of same, that is a hearing notice, shall be filed accordingly. Furthermore, the registrar of court shall arrange for an interpreter from Hausa to English language regarding the proceedings for the next hearing. Oh. So I want to see that officer after the proceeding today. Let me see. I think the other matter, you are not in any of the matter, that is virtual. Yes. Okay, so you can take your leave. We'll do this. Thank you. I wish you a safe trip back. Yes, Kabiru, are you with us?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, call the next case. That's SK, I think.
NICN/.
SK02 is what we experience, these disruptions. Yes, Kabiru. You see what I'm talking about, the network. Hey, Bashima, can you call them again? Yes, Kabiru.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, NICN/SK/02/2022 between Bashar Bana and Kaduna Electricity Distribution Company, PLC.
Parties?
But the claimant is present before the court.
Okay, where is he?
What's the name of the claimant? Yes.
All right. How about defendants?
The defendant is absent, my lord.
The background noise, no? Yes, appearance. Any counsel?
Yes, my lord.
Or present in court, yes.
With what possibility? Let me
This full stand, Abba Tuku.
Yes, my lord.
All right. For claimant, how about defendant counsel?
My lord, it's an adjournment letter that was sent to us.
Okay. Dated when?
It's dated 5th June 2023.
It's dated 4th July, not 5th June. Where is this in 5th June from? Can you confirm that it's dated 4th July?
4th July.
Confirm that. Why is this in June?
Sorry, my lord. It's 4th July, my lord.
Please give me that letter. Yes, yes, from defendant counsel. Counsel.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my
Yes.
My lord, we vehemently object their application.
It says before the Federal High Court, Benin Kebbi Division, and he has made, given the suit number of those cases, he writes to humbly apply for adjournment to another taken. Hold on, please. Yes, Abba, or is it Tuku? Yes. Yes, Tuku. Claimant's counsel, yes, there's a letter for adjournment by the defendant's counsel to the effect that is before the Federal High Court in Kebbi.
Yes, my lord. My lord, we vehemently object their application.
Recording in progress.
Yes.
Reason being that they were served with the hearing notice since on the 30th day of May 2023.
Yes.
And they ought to know that they have some other matters before some other court, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this case was adjourned to today.
Yes.
For definite hearing, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, the defendant counsel is just trying to delay this matter, my lord. He's just trying to frustrate the matter.
Recording in progress.
Yes, counsel.
So, my lord, we are objecting to the application.
How has he tried to frustrate the matter, counsel, by this letter? If he has said in his letter, the same date, he quoted the suit number there, which is even verifiable. Then from How many adjournments had been taken in favor of the defendants?
Two adjournment, my lord.
All right. So you said you are opposed to the application for adjournment.
I opposed to the application for adjournment, my lord.
All right, thank you.
And
yes.
And my lord, if
yes.
If the court deem it necessary to adjourn the matter in their favor,
yes,
we have no objection to that.
Yes.
We are only asking for a cost.
Yes.
A cost of 200,000, my lord.
All right.
For wasting our precious time and resources, my lord.
Were you served with that letter for adjournment?
No, my lord, I have not been served.
So when did you get to know about the letter?
It's this morning that I know about the letter, my lord. I have not even seen the letter, my lord.
All right.
Up to now, I have not seen the letter.
Where is your witness?
I've not seen the letter. They have not sent me anything. I have not seen the letter. It's not that the registrar.
Are you ready to proceed? Is your witness present in court?
Yes, he is witness. He is present before the court, my lord.
Where is he? All right, thank you.
Yes, my lord.
Counsel, you may have your seat for a while.
As the court pleases.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, he's always in present. That's why I'm checking. Yes, I think one occasion. What dates do we have there? Yes, Council, I heard you.
Yes, my lord.
Letter forwarded by the defendant counsel, and I've perused the records of court. And I think from the records, the defendant counsel had been present in almost all proceedings, save on
Yes,
2 occasions. For today, defendant counsel wrote for an adjournment, even though claimant counsel has said he was not served with the said letter. In any event, by the rules of this court, particularly Order 38, Rule 7, Sub-Rule 2, this court is allowed in the interest of justice to grant adjournments to any party where such a party has even exhausted the number of adjournments permitted by its rules. It is premised on this that the court shall allow one more adjournment at the instance of defendants, all in the overall interest of justice. Meanwhile, the court is not inclined to awarding any cost regarding this proceeding of today.
As court pleases.
You bear your cost.
And the court pleases. Most obliged, ma. Thank you very much, my lord.
Suggest available dates to you. Yes, sir.
My lord.
18th October and 31st October. Any of the dates.
15th October, my lord.
18th, 1/8.
18th.
or 31st.
18th 18, my lord.
Okay, 18, all right. So the case is further adjourned to 18th October 2023 for definite hearing.
I've got pleadings.
Witness shall be present in court by the next hearing date, and the court shall not hesitate to proceed accordingly, even where defendant is not ready to proceed with the matter.
I've got pleadings.
So hearing notice is ordered to be issued and served on defendant's counsel.
I've got pleadings. Most obliged, ma. Thank you, my lord. Yes. My lord, I have one observation, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, are we going to have our hearing here or are going to travel to Abuja?
Counsel, whichever way, if you want to come to Abuja, make sure you both agree with the defendant counsel. If you come to Abuja, I will take you. But where you are not in agreement, I will not have one party here in Abuja and the other party in Sokoto. So if you both agree, you can't even do a correspondence or letter to the court, to the registrar over there, where you want it to be in Abuja, but you must be in agreement.
I've got pleadings.
Otherwise, we'll have it virtual.
I've got pleadings.
All right.
My lord.
All right.
Thank you, my lord. Yes, ma'am.
So that will be all for Sokoto.
Yes, my lord.
And at this juncture, the court will rise. So thank you, counsel.
Thank you, my lord.
Court.